Hey, Tech here, and I just wanted to talk about this new processor, Intel Core Extra 9 285K, and it's pretty crazy because the CPU costs around like $589, and also you need a new motherboard for the CPU to work on your computer, and it's actually not getting the best performance by playing games. And I think that's kind of crazy when you think about it, because usually when you buy a CPU and you buy a new motherboard, you expect the processor to do better. You expect to have a better gaming performance, but you actually don't. You actually get a less gaming performance. So I'm kind of disappointed about this processor today. Not really excited about this new CPU that Intel just came out with. I don't know if I will recommend it to anyone, but as I said, when it comes to buying PC parts, really take your time and think about it, because you don't want to spend money that you don't need to spend. Just wanted to share my quick thoughts with you guys this morning. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like and subscribe, and talk again soon.